I've been living with a shadow overhead. I've been sleeping with a cloud above my bed. I've been lonely for so long. Trapped in the past, I just can't seem to move on. I've been hiding all my hopes and dreams away, just in case I ever need it again someday. I've been setting aside time to clear a little space in the corners. All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can make it through without a way back into love. Oh, oh. I've been watching for the stars we used to shine. I've been searching but I just don't see the signs. I know that it's out there. There's gotta be something for my soul somewhere. I've been looking for someone to shed some light, not somebody just to get me through the night. I can use some direction, and I'm open to your suggestions. All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can make it through without a way back into love. And if I open my heart again, I guess I'm hoping you'll be there for me in the end. Whoa, 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 whoa. There are moments when I don't know if it is real or if anybody feels the way I feel. I need inspiration, not just another negotiation. All I wanna do is find a way back into love. I can make it through without a way back into love. And if I open my heart to you, I'm hoping you'll show me what to do. And if you help me to start again, you know that I'll be there for you in the end. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.